Have you ever wondered if a digital currency like Vivid Money could offer the convenience of a traditional credit card? It's a question that's been popping up more and more as digital finance continues to evolve. Let's dive into it and see what we can uncover. Understanding Vivid Money. Before we delve into the credit card question, let's quickly recap what Vivid Money is. It's a mobile-first financial platform that provides a range of financial services, including multi-currency accounts, manage multiple currencies in one place. Debit cards, physical and virtual cards for easy spending. Cashback and rewards, earn rewards on your spending. Savings vaults, set aside money for specific goals. The credit card conundrum. So, does Vivid Money offer a credit card? As of now, the short answer is no. Vivid Money primarily operates as a debit card-based platform. This means you'll need to fund your account before making purchases. Why no credit card? There could be several reasons why Vivid Money hasn't ventured into the credit card market. Regulatory hurdles. The financial industry is heavily regulated, and obtaining a credit card license can be a complex and time-consuming process. Risk management. Issuing credit cards involves inherent risks, such as credit defaults. Vivid Money might be prioritizing other aspects of its business. Business model. The company's core focus could be on providing a user-friendly, fee-based platform rather than a credit-based model. The future of digital finance. While Vivid Money doesn't offer credit cards at the moment, the landscape of digital finance is constantly evolving. It's entirely possible that we could see changes in the future. As technology advances and regulations adapt, we might witness the emergence of innovative financial products that blur the lines between traditional banking and digital finance. So, to answer the question directly, no, Vivid Money doesn't currently offer a credit card. However, it's a powerful platform that provides a variety of financial tools. As the digital finance industry continues to grow, it's exciting to see what the future holds for platforms like Vivid Money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.